音がするからね。
Nina, back away. Go to Lily. Kai, you don't have to be that far away, do you?
風で飛んでいくかな。行くよ。ねえ、行っとってて危ないけん。
Where'd it go? Oh, it's over there, away from the kids and onto the road. Did you catch it? Did anyone catch it?
No.
I know.
Where?
On the road. The parachute never opens. Right over top. Got it. It went right over the house onto the road. Well, we got one more to try. And the parachute never opened. So it had a rather rough landing. Oh, it's up, it's up, it's up. Oh, two! And both. Oh.
Road.
On the road and one in the neighbor's field?
No.
Inside the fence.
Yeah.
It went inside the fence. And inside the wall.
Parachute.
Yeah, that time it worked. There it is. Yeah, I can get it with a stick, easy. Gotta grab something? Get a rake. Dun 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 dun! Here you are, Kamiko. Very nice rocketry. Ow. So we lost one of the parachutes, maybe? I didn't see two. Maybe it did go in the river. Let's go take a quick check. River, canal, drainage, ditch, whatever you want to call it. Can't find a second one, so maybe it was just the one in the first rocket, I guess. Can't find another one. Oh well, that was fun. Gotta buy some more of those. Actually, I have some ideas for something I want to make with a bunch of cheap fireworks. No, I'm not, Seth.